look at everything. Let's see. Oh, she's not going to start trying to come out again, is she? Seriously?
Good girl. You get around. Walk up. Sit. Look at the sheep. Sit. You gonna sit? Good girl. So I think I'm just gonna let her go around the sheep quickly, just to kind of get her like woohoo, and then do some of this stuff.
Okay.
Ready? Get around. Good girl. Come on, Jenna. Come on, baby. Come on, Jenna. You're fine. Come on. Come on, Jenny.
No, go. Go. Oh.
I think one of us does need to be in there.
I think so.
Good girl. Good girl. Come on. Good girl. Come on. Good girl. Come on. There it was.
There you go.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.
So funny. They're so scared.
Hey, cutie. Mojo.
Good girl. And I see like the difference when she's like tries to chomp on them, they get a little crazy.
Yeah.
And then the sheep start flying all over the place.
Yeah.
And she's what, 8 you said?
She's 8.
All right. All right. Mojo wants to come in.
I know. I think he likes it. Is she coming out?
Could you imagine 2 dogs like that are untrained being in here? Sometimes people are like, well, can we bring them both in? I'm like, are you insane?
Oh my God, no.
One will have one, they'll be chasing them around.